you've created a conscious machine, it's not the history of man. That's the history of gods.
They will understand the existential threat that when AI gets super intelligent, it might just replace us.
We are at the dawn of this radical transformation of humans that by its very nature has a truly complex and emergent innovation. Nobody on Earth can predict what's going to happen.